Hello viewers, here we are once again, hopefully for the last time, with this Duracraft fan, and the motor has been repaired, the thermal fuse was replaced, so this should be ready to go now. We got to do, let's see, we got to do some rewiring. We have to connect this back up to this. And I'm going to try to reuse, oh, I see what happened here. We're not going to be able to reuse that. Oh well. We'll just cut it off and replace it with a wire nut. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. Actually, I have another one of these thingies in there. Oh, that's lovely. Maybe I can just use that instead of having to use a wire nut. I think these are technically not supposed to be reusable, but I don't care. I'm going to reuse them anyways. Okay, that worked. That's good. Now that's back to what it originally would have been. Looks like it's actually it's about the same size too. Alright, good. So that's that, and now we got to do the switch connections. So if I recall correctly, let's see how this goes here. So this is the line. It's kind of sitting there like that. So the line is going to be there. So this will go through there. And then the two speeds, 2 and 3, are going to come through there. And now I've had this thing apart so many times, I don't remember for certain which one is which. I think it went like this. Of course, we'll find out as soon as I turn it on if this was correct or not. Alright, so if this is working, we should get power on the motor. Okay, let's check the other setting. So that should have been low. I don't know if I'll be able to tell the difference without the blade on. Let's go ahead and put the blade on. Of course, there's a lot of things that could go wrong running it like this. About That's gotta get lined up. That seems like low. That's what it should be. And this should be high. Yep, that's definitely going faster. Okay. So that's good. Let's go ahead and put this back on. If I recall correctly, this part was a royal pain in the rear for whatever reason. Yeah, I still don't understand why this is so difficult, but it is. It's very hard. It's like it doesn't want to go down all the way. And it's an issue of this being in the way, but there's not enough slack to bring it up any further. So, you know, I don't quite understand that. I'll quit this part because it's annoying. Okay, so this is not how it goes by design, but what I've done is I just put the wire connection there in the knot, and that's how it's going to sit. Can't see it from the front, so it'll work. So now we have to attach the switch, which now we're having an issue with the slack of this. I guess the switch should have been attached prior to putting the motor in. There's just no slack to work with in this thing. No room whatsoever. Does not make it easy. I don't like how tight that is in there, but there's no other option. Just concerned that the switch is going to rub against there and over time cause an issue. I guess it's okay. Yeah, it feels alright. Okay, so now let's give this another test run. Bearings seem to be very good. Alright, I'm happy with that. Let's finish getting this into the motor here. Or into the motor. Yeah, let's put it into the motor. I gotta go to sleep. And there's no doubt that this is more powerful than the new ones. I can tell just from that quick test. This one moves a ton more air. Okay, we're ready to do the final checkout here. Let's plug this in. And you can see it came out pretty good, actually. Not too bad. This is a much cooler fan. I'm glad I decided to do this. And there's this as well on the back, which changes the tilt angle. I wish the newer ones had that feature because having the one angle kind of stinks. Start with low. This is probably the high of the current ones. Actually, it's quite powerful. And here's high. Yeah, that's thrown out a lot of air. An impressive performance for such a small fan. Alright, well, that's another successful restoration project with a whole bunch of fiascos along the way. Thank you for watching.